Please, don't do this.
It's done. Now, please go or I'll call security.
No, you're not in a strip club. There is no security. Why'd you fuck him?
I wanted to.
Why?
I desired him.
Why?
You weren't there!
Why him?
He asked me nicely.
You're a liar.
So?
Who are you?
I'm no one! Go on, hit me. That's what you want? Hit me, fucker.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. You see, everyone makes mistakes. What are you gonna do to me? That's right, be fake. Is it gonna be smoother than Drake's singles? What's that? You cheated and fucked him. I just don't understand. How can you be such vandals to my heart? I thought we would get through this together in the darkest moments, but really, we are now the worst components in the game. Like, what did you have to do? Tear me apart again? Yeah. It's equivalent to gunmen shooting my heart 1,000 times. We met in the summer when all you could hear was chimes. But what can you do? Hear crimes in the world, people getting shot. Laughing all the way to the top. We as society can stop. Yeah, what's got into us, making each other drop. Now all our souls just rot. Taking the piss, I reminisce our times when we could get on with life. No judgmental comments, and people carrying knives. Now people think it's okay to do that. People get mad over the slightest things. Now people can mess around with heartstrings. Yo, why'd you have to do that? Cheat on me. You can't do all that. You think just because there was a time, it makes things alright? Nah, that's not right. Nowadays you get scared going out at midnight. Wait. Let's slow it down a little. Nowadays you get scared going out at midnight, thinking everything's gonna be alright, despite all the rapists, and the racists, and the arsonists. You hear arguments, judgmental perceptions, people asking questions about murder. What the fuck is going on here? People be getting jumped for fun, with no reason. I think a demon has got all of our souls. Now they're just controlling us like assholes. It used to be all fun and jokes, until they came bullying, which includes knives and ropes. Also headphones, and you think about all the phones controlling our lives. We used to have good family vibes, but now all you can hear on the news is ISIS missile strikes, and people getting beheaded with knives. Yo, damn ISIS, why'd you have to do this? Okay, wait. Yo, okay. Damn ISIS, why'd you have to be so rude? Just because you don't support the same religion, you don't need to be fools. You think we start over the rules? Nah, you think you can open up new doors? Yeah, no. People be judging people's clothes, thinking they fools if they don't have a good brand on their shoes. We in control, the people know I speak the truth. Permanent brain damage, similar to tattoos. Now think all we know is I speak the fucking truth. Yeah. I speak the fucking truth.